to my Python tutorial. So in this lesson we will learn about lesson 1, basic printing and basic variabling. So let's go to your Python shell. So basic printing is using print function and followed by open parenthesis, and as you can see you can type here value or value or values or variable or variables or string, so like that. And so will example 1 is print this is a string. In this example we use a string, welcome to Python programming, like that, close followed by close double quotes and followed by close parenthesis, and press enter and then enter. So it goes like this: welcome to Python programming, as what you type in the between the open parenthesis and close parenthesis. It will type exactly what you type inside the double quotes. So next is variabling, basic variabling. Variable needs variable. As you can see, I will use pound sign. So variable needs variable name and variable value. So for instance, like this, variable name will use my name, variable name as my string equals to welcome. So basically we just type in again the example before previous example, so like this. So we have we use my so we now decide to use my string as variable name, and welcome to my Python string as variable value. So next variable is my integer is equal. We use my int as variable as our variable name and use 10 as our variable value. So like that, type enter. So next is my float is equal to 1.3. so we use my float as our variable name, yes, and we use value 1.3 as our variable value for corresponding variable name. Here is my float. So next is my boolean. This is as a name. My boolean is our variable name, and we assign value of true to that variable. So now we will combine the basic printing and basic variable. Print also, as we said in the above here, print also save value. So print can be used and value. For instance, we can print 10 like this. It will just type out 10. If you print 1.3, it will just type 1.3. So this is the print type of accepting value or values. So now we will try the accepting variables. So like we will use variable that we already defined in here in previous. So we will type print my string as our first variable. So like that, print my string welcome to Python programming. As the next example is print my integer, it will print out the 10. As in our third example, print my float. So for instance like that, and then print my boolean, it will print the value that inside my boolean variable. So that's the basic how to use print and basic variable. For recap, print accept value like this, direct value, so like this 1.1.3, this is value, print value, and this is print variables, and this is print string. So like this. So this is print string, printing a string example. And don't forget the opening bracket and opening double quotes and the closing double quotes and the closing parenthesis. So it can generate without error like previous example. Here we forget to type closing the quotes and closing parentheses in here, so it generates a syntax error here with font color red, syntax error, end of line while scanning string literal. So that is the third example of print. Now we and recap. For recap, the variable is need two component. Is first variable name and need second component that is variable value. So need a variable name, this is variable name, and this is the variable value for corresponding, this is the variable value for corresponding variable name, in this case my string. So variable, in this case my integer is the variable name and 10 is the variable value. So in declaring the variable is just need two components here, variable names and variable value. You can see it also same with the last two example in our tutorial here. My float is our variable name, and after the equal signs we assign the variable value for that corresponding variable name. And also here my boolean is just our variable name. You can name everything as your variable name, and you can give a variable value corresponding to type that you want to enter in your variable name. In this case we have 10 and we have 1.2 and true. So this is 10 is integer, no floating point, no fractional, no fraction, no, and 1.3 is the fractional value, floating value. So a float value is always always use a point 1, 2, 1, 3, just like that. Thank you very much.